The Continental Yard Reader is probably one of the most important tools in the last 4 or 5 years. It allows you to monitor your tire pressures, it keeps your unit safe on the road, and it will lower your cost. It monitors our tire pressure. They place a sensor in the tire, it goes past the reader gets the information, sends it to the web page, and then we're able to view that information instantly on our computer screen. We found when we started with the reader somewhere between 5 to 10 nails a week in our tires. We've got to the point where we're no longer looking at trailers, not knowing which trailer is broken down or needs some repairs, but we go right to the one that needs help immediately. That allows us to have our tire repaired with no damage and sent back on the road for minimum cost. Amanda over here immediately bit into it, and she just became my watchdog, so to speak.
The new system allows me to get alerts on my phone, which is fantastic. While I'm at home, I'm able to get a text message. I can call the guy because I know he's going to a load at 2 a.m., for example. And I can call him, hey, you just passed the guardhouse, please load up. Your tire is very, very low. It helps me ensure that my drivers are safe and they're getting there at the right time when they're supposed to, and they're getting there, safe.
If you have one tire blow out alongside the road, the damages that could occur from hitting a car or something else is tremendous. The service call alone from a person coming out to repair your tire could be more than the tire itself. If you have $5,000 worth of rubber on the road, wouldn't you want to protect it? I think personally the Yard Reader is the best equipment that you could actually get for your fleet at this point. It'll save you money. It'll keep your units safe on the road. If you do it for no other reason, do it for the safety. Bottom line, it's a great system.